Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss mechanical properties of fluids. In this introduction of surface tension. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Now, let us discuss some illustrations. Some insects like water spiders walk on water surfaces as if they are walking on a stretched elastic membrane. Their feet produces dimples on the surface film without rupturing the film. See these pictures carefully. Here, the bristles of a paint brush spread out when the brush is immersed in water. However, when the brush is taken out, the bristles cling together. Okay. See this picture. The bristles of this bristles cling together. Now, we'll discuss to understand the phenomenon of surface tension. Let us understand the following terms: cohesive force, adhesive force, range of attraction, sphere of influence, free surface, surface film. So here all these terms first we have to understood. First one, cohesive force, adhesive force, range of attraction, sphere of influence, free surface and surface film. Consider a beaker having some water in it. This is a beaker and we are taking water, and consider two water molecules in it. These are the two water molecules inside the water. These two molecules attract each other. Now this is cohesive force. Consider one water and one gas molecules. These two molecules attract each other. This is adhesive force. Two molecules will attract each other if and only if they are separated at a distance less than or equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. This is known as range of attraction. If two molecules will attract each other if and only if they are separated at a distance less than or equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters, this is known as range of attraction. Molecules having distance more than 10 to the power of minus 9 meters will not attract each other. Consider a molecule. This is the molecule and an imaginary sphere drawn with the range of attraction as radius around the molecule is known as sphere of influence. Here we are taking a sphere, an imaginary sphere drawn with range of attraction as radius around this molecule is known as sphere of influence. All the molecules which are in the sphere of influence exert a force of attraction on the molecule which is at the center. So the topmost layer of the liquid is called the free surface. Here this is the topmost layer of this liquid is called free surface. The layer of surface liquid whose thickness is about equal to range of molecular attraction is called surface film. So the layer of surface of liquid whose thickness is about equal to range of molecular attraction is called surface film. This is the surface film. And next, now let us discuss MCQs. Attraction between two water molecule is adhesive force and no effect on water. Cohesive force, none of these. Attraction between two water molecules is cohesive force. Okay. Next, range of attraction is first one 10 to the power of minus 7 meters, 10 to the power of minus 9 meters, 10 to the power of minus 8 meters, 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Range of attraction is 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Okay. Third one, if a molecule comes in the sphere of influence of other molecule, then it gets attracted and no effect, repelled, and depends on nature of the molecule. Here it gets attracted. Now I will discuss explanation of surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Let us discuss. Now I will discuss surface tension on the basis of molecular theory. Here we are taking a beaker containing water, and this is the air, surface, here water, surface. Consider three molecules A, B and C. Here we are taking A, B and C. Now sphere of influence of molecule A is, this is the sphere of influence of molecule A, and sphere of molecules here, influence of the sphere of influence of molecule B is, this is the sphere of influence of molecule B, and sphere of influence of molecule C, this is the sphere of influence of molecule C. Molecule A is surrounded from all the sides by similar molecule, and hence A is attracted in all the directions. Therefore, net forcing acting on A is 0. So, molecules C and B are surrounded by similar molecules on one side, that is water, and different molecules on other side, that is air. Here different molecules on the other side, here in B and here in C, such that all the molecules which are in surface film experience net downward force. Here this is the net downward force. So due to this, the surface is under tension and behaves like an elastic stretched membrane. This is called surface tension. So now first one, surface tension is a surface phenomenon. Tension in surface is along the tangential direction. So hence molecule C and B are experiencing net downward force. Now let us discuss MCQs. The free surface of the liquid film behaves as dash membrane, stretched elastic membrane, and rigid and plastic. The last one is none of these. The free surface of the liquid film behaves as stretched elastic membrane. Okay. Surface tension is a dash phenomenon. First one surface, second one bulk, atomic, and all of these. Surface tension is a surface phenomena. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.